Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the exact area you need. Open Google Maps and tap your profile, then Offline Maps. Once done, select your own map and drag to frame the region you'll travel through. Make sure to check the download size and press download. Wi-Fi is best to avoid mobile data charges. You're doing this because offline tiles include roads, addresses, and turn instructions, so the app can navigate without a cellular signal. Once the map is saved, enable your device GPS and grant maps permission to access location in the background, otherwise routing won't update. Next, open the offline map and set your navigation mode, driving, walking, or cycling, because routing preferences affect which roads are prioritized. Make sure to adjust offline settings, automatic updates when on Wi-Fi, and preferred storage if on external SD. These steps ensure the app recalculates routes using offline tiles and keeps data current for accurate guidance. To navigate, search a destination or long press on the offline map and tap directions. Maps will use the downloaded data to give turn-by-turn guidance. If routing doesn't appear, make sure GPS is active. Then toggle airplane mode briefly to reset the positioning service and reopen maps. Finally, refresh your offline maps before long trips because they expire and storage can fill up. Doing this keeps the map tiles fresh and avoids sudden failures when you're out of signal. That's the key to reliable offline navigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.